If you feel like your money disappears the second your paycheck hits your bank account, you aren't alone. It's the #1 source of stress for Americans today. But what if I told you that managing your finances didn't require an advanced degree in economics? No tedious spreadsheets, just one simple, proven system. I'm Alex, and welcome back to Grow Wealth. Today, we're getting your financial house in order with the 50-30-20 rule. Most people fail at budgeting because their systems are too complicated. They track every single penny, get exhausted, and quit after 2 weeks. The 50-30-20 rule isn't about restriction, it's about intentionality. It's a roadmap for guilt-free spending while hitting your goals. Let's dive in. Divide your take-home pay into 3 buckets. First, the 50%. Needs. Rent, utilities, basic groceries. If it's essential to live and work, it comes out of this 50%. If this is more than 50%, it's a signal, either lower costs or boost income. Second, the 30%. Wants. Dining out, subscriptions, hobbies. It's what makes life fun. Key here, cap them. When this bucket is empty, it's empty until next month. Finally, the 20%. Future. Savings, debt repayment, investments. Prioritizing this ensures that even if you have a bad spending month, your future self is covered. Found this breakdown helpful? Hit subscribe for weekly guides on building wealth. By the way, what's the one thing in your wants bucket you could trim this month? Drop a comment below. Let's keep each other accountable. How to start? Calculate your actual net income. Then, audit your last 3 months of bank statements. It might be painful. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be better than last month. Start small, track, adjust. See you in the next one.